Today, I want to take a moment to sit down and share my story with you, a journey that's been anything but easy. But it's the reason I've gone from countless failures to where I am now. When I first started out, I failed more times than I can count. There were moments when I seriously doubted if I could keep going. But here's something I learned. You can't have success without failure. I decided to become a businessman because business is what I'm good at. I love turning ideas into reality and seeing them grow. But business isn't just about numbers or making money. It's about building and maintaining relationships, not just with customers, but with your team, partners, and even competitors. This is a core part of business that many people overlook. But trust me, success in business doesn't happen alone. It's the result of teamwork. One thing I noticed along the way is that everyone in business wants to get more and give less. But what separates successful people is that they understand the true value comes from being willing to give, to share, and to grow together. Don't be afraid to give more than you get at first, because what you give is what will come back to you tenfold later on. Today, I'm successful because I wasn't afraid to fail yesterday. Every failure taught me something new, not just about how to do things right, but also how to avoid the wrong turns. There were times I thought my business dreams were done for, but staying persistent turned those dreams into reality. Another big lesson. I don't want to work for someone else, and I want people to work for me. Now, this isn't about arrogance. It's about the freedom I've always wanted. I wanted to have control over my own destiny, to build something of my own. And that meant pushing through every obstacle that came my way. Business isn't as complicated as some people think. All you need is a small idea and big confidence. Don't worry if your idea seems small or not big enough. The most successful ventures often start with something simple. What matters most is your belief in yourself and your ability to make it happen, the biggest takeaway. If you don't have the ability to take risks, don't even think about starting a business. Business is full of risks, and there are no guarantees. But if you're willing to embrace those risks and learn from your mistakes, that's how you unlock the door to success. Remember, success doesn't come from luck. It comes from persistence, from being willing to learn, from failing and getting back up again. If you believe in your dreams, start today. Every day is a new opportunity to get closer to your goals. I'm successful because I never care about the people who try to stop me. There will always be doubters, haters, and people who tell you it can't be done. But honestly, I never let them affect me. I stayed focused on my vision and my goals. I didn't start a business just to take care of my family. I wanted more than that. I wanted to build something bigger than myself, something that could grow beyond just putting food on the table. My love is for my work, not for any company. A company can fire me. But my skills, my passion, and my work, that's what always sustains me. That's why I built something of my own, something that can't be taken away from me. If you want to succeed, you have to dream big. Dream as big as possible, but don't just dream. Start taking small steps today toward making that dream a reality. You won't achieve it overnight, but with consistent effort, you'll get there. In business, it's not just about making money. For a business to last, you need to know how to build and maintain relationships. Whether it's with customers, employees, or partners, those relationships are the foundation of long-term success. Speaking of success, it boils down to two things: customer satisfaction and employee satisfaction. If your customers are happy, they'll keep coming back. And if your employees are happy, they'll work harder to make the business better. Business is pretty straightforward. There are only two possibilities: profit or loss. When I make a profit, it feels great. But when I face a loss, I don't get discouraged. Instead, it motivates me to improve, to come back stronger. At the end of the day, customer satisfaction is the most important thing. If your customers are happy, your sales will naturally increase. It's as simple as that. Remember this: your desire for success will define where your business takes you. The more driven you are, the further you'll go. If you really want it, nothing can stand in your way. Entrepreneurship that comes from within leads to beautiful destinations. When your drive comes from deep inside, no external force can stop you. That internal motivation is what will keep pushing you forward when things get tough. Remember, great businesses don't come from small thinking. You have to think big and be bold if you want to create something impactful. Don't limit yourself with small ideas. Go beyond and dream big. Don't expect to get rich if you're not motivated enough to get yourself there. Success isn't handed out, so you have to go after it with everything you've got. If your motivation is lacking, don't be surprised if your results reflect that. Create your own ideas. Don't just imitate others. Sure, it's easy to copy someone else's blueprint, but true success comes from innovation. When you formulate your own business ideas, you stand out in the market and bring something fresh to the table. And let's be real. Fear of risk will only kill your business. If you're too scared to take the leap, you'll never grow. Business is all about risk and reward, and playing it too safe can cost you in the long run. A good business can either make you or break you. The outcome is totally up to you. It's about the choices you make, the risks you take, and the mindset you carry. So take control and steer yourself toward success. Before you can succeed in business, get yourself right first. When you're mentally, emotionally, and physically ready, your business will reflect that, and success will follow. Don't just settle for one thing. Handle multiple businesses or test your potential and make the most out of life. Push your boundaries and see what you're really capable of. Mind your own business if you want to be the one making real change. Focus on what you're doing, not what others are doing, and you'll be the one setting trends instead of following them. True uniqueness in business comes from the simplicity of your heart. When you stay true to yourself and keep things genuine, yes, that authenticity shines through in your work. If you think all business minds think alike, you might not be thinking right. The best entrepreneurs are the ones who think differently, who challenge norms and break molds. A true businessman trusts his instincts even when everyone else is doubting him. It's that confidence in your gut that will lead you to success, even when the odds are against you. To become a businessman is worth it. All the late nights, the risks, the hard work, they'll all pay off when you're standing at the top, looking back at everything you've built. Business is more than just deals. Sure, cutting deals is a crucial part of the game, but it's not the end-all be-all. It's about building relationships, solving problems, and creating value. Trustworthiness is key. A solid business plan isn't just about numbers and strategies, it's about trust. And trust comes from experience, hard work, and a commitment to integrity. Success takes time. There's no such thing as overnight success. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Instant gratification can lead to complacency and ultimately, failure. Dream big, start small. If you dream of doing something, you're already on the right track. Start small, learn, grow, and eventually, your dreams will become reality. Be a risk taker. Business is about taking calculated risks. Don't be afraid to experiment, to try new things. That's how you innovate and stay ahead of the curve. Choose your circle wisely. The people you surround yourself with can make or break your business. Surround yourself with positive, driven individuals who share your vision. Be proactive, not reactive. Don't wait for opportunities to come knocking. Be like a fox, always on the lookout for the next big thing. Productivity over procrastination. There's no room for laziness in business. Stay focused, stay productive, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Building a business from scratch is invaluable. There's a unique sense of accomplishment and ownership that comes with starting your own business. You gain a deep understanding of every aspect of the operation. A solid plan is essential. Without a well-thought-out plan, you're building a house on quicksand. A strong foundation is crucial for long-term success. Future-proofing is vital. Business is dynamic. What works today might not work tomorrow. It's essential to have a vision for the future and adapt accordingly. Self-belief is paramount. Confidence is contagious. If you believe in yourself, others will too. This belief is the cornerstone of any successful venture. Trust is everything. In business, reputation is everything. Build trust with your customers, employees, and partners, and you'll create a loyal following. Patience, Perseverance and hard work are essential. There's no shortcut to success. It takes time, effort, and dedication. Risk is inherent. Business is inherently risky. Fear can paralyze you. Embrace the risk, learn from your mistakes, and keep moving forward. Treat your business like family. A business is more than just a profit-making machine. It's a community. Treat your employees and customers with respect and care, and you'll foster loyalty and growth. Learn from the experienced. Wisdom comes with age and experience. Seek guidance from those who have walked the path before you. Education and skills are crucial. A strong foundation of knowledge and skills is essential for navigating the complexities of business. Trust in your beliefs. While faith can be a powerful motivator, it's important to maintain a realistic perspective. Business success often requires practical actions and sound strategies. Understand your customers. The customer is king. Listen to their needs, understand their desires, and deliver products or services that exceed their expectations. Learn from experimentation. The only way to truly know if an idea will work is to try it. Be willing to experiment, fail, and learn from your mistakes. Inspire others. Share your journey, your successes, and your failures. Inspire others to pursue their entrepreneurial dreams. Focus on solutions. Complaining about problems won't solve them. Take action, find solutions, and move forward. Value customer feedback. Your customers are your best critics. Listen to their feedback, make improvements, and strive for perfection. Balance profit and purpose. While profit is important, don't let it overshadow your business's mission and values. Seek advice. Don't be afraid to ask for advice from experts. A fresh perspective can be invaluable. Avoid imitation. While learning from competitors can be helpful, avoid simply copying their ideas. Develop your own unique approach. Avoid unethical practices. Building a successful business on deception or exploitation is unsustainable. Always act with integrity and honesty. Remember, this is just a glimpse into my journey. Everyone's path is unique, but these principles, I believe, are universal. They're the foundation upon which successful businesses are built. So, dream big, work hard, and never give up. The rewards are worth it.